Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Fortnite gameplay test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 80 device. The OnePlus 80 has a Snapdragon 865 processor and with a 120Hz refresh rate, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro, which has a Dimensity of 1000 plus processor and which has the same kind of 120Hz refresh rate in the Realme X7 Pro as well. So in this video, let's test Fortnite, what FPS you can play in both the different smartphones. So let's see which phone will actually supports the 60 FPS and 90 FPS as well. So right now you can see your friends Dimensity 1000 plus processor. Let me try to open the game first in the Realme X7 Pro, and then I'll try to open in the OnePlus 80 as well. The reason is because I did have only a one Fortnite account, so at once I can only log in one phone. So I'll be trying to show you the graphic settings what you can get in this Realme X7 Pro, and then I'll try to compare with the OnePlus 80 device. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper what I'm using currently in both the smartphones, try to check the links in description. You can find so many amazing videos on each and every smartphone and wallpapers related to those smartphones as well. So try to check the links in description for more detailed reviews. So right now let me try to open the Fortnite here. So in the Realme phones, you can see this kind of FPS count meter, and even in the OnePlus also there is an option to see that, but it's not that accurate like this. So let's see friends, what's the graphics you can get in this Realme X7 Pro device. So as you can see right now, you can only get this 30 FPS only. So this is the only option which is available at the moment in the Realme X7 Pro. So there is no 60 FPS or there is no 90 FPS. There is no nothing at all option. So even though if I change the settings to medium or low, still the FPS count remains at 30 FPS only, as you can see here clearly. So this will be the kind of drawback in the Realme X7 Pro if you want to play this kind of Fortnite game. But another thing is that maybe in the future with the updates, the phone should be able to receive the maybe 60 fps support or even the 90 fps, I think so, but 90 fps I cannot guarantee, but maybe 60 fps may be possible. So right now let me try to show you in the OnePlus 8T device. So this both phones I'm trying to use for the past few days, and really I'm serious in love with both phones. But one thing is that I did like using the OnePlus 80 more, so which I can try to explain in another video. So right now you can see your friends, the OnePlus 80 has been opened the Fortnite game. So it is a OnePlus 80. So let me go to the settings and let me try to show you quickly what is the FPS it's available. As you can clearly see your friends, there is different FPS you can select: 20 FPS, 30 FPS, 45, 60, 90. It's so much there's so many options which are available right now to select from, as you can see here. So with the medium settings you can change up to 90 FPS, and with the high settings, even with high settings also you can change the FPS to 90 FPS, as you can clearly see. Let me select the epic settings. As you can see friends, even with the epic settings also you can set the 90 FPS as well, as you can clearly see here. And let me try to start the match, and as you can see the bottom FPS count meter also will be getting there. So once the match has been successfully started, you will see this kind of FPS count meter on the top. So overall the OnePlus 80 is a clear winner in terms of the settings, so which is available 90 FPS in this phone. So in terms of the gameplay also, I feel the OnePlus 80 is slightly better because of very smooth experience. You will have very good control in this OnePlus 80 device. Right now I'm using maybe the epic settings, so that's why there is a little bit of lag going on. So let me try to change the settings to normal. So but overall friends, this is a quick review of this OnePlus 80 device in terms of the PUBG in terms of Fortnite gameplay comparison with the Realme X7 Pro device. So overall, the OnePlus 8 is a clear winner in terms of having the very higher powerful chipset and having the higher 90 FPS frame rates as well, which is maintained in the Fortnite game. That is a really good to play in the 90 FPS the Fortnite game. And thank you for watching this video, and for more interesting videos similarly like this, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.